Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6, Subject Maths. So we have already started our revision of exercise of chapter 11, that is algebra. Okay, so we will continue now. Okay, so I think we have completed up to just 1 second, huh? Okay, first question I have done. I think we are on the second one. The side of a regular hexagon is denoted by L. Express the perimeter of hexagon using L. Now, it is a regular. What is meant by regular polygon? A polygon having equal side is called the regular polygon, right? Now, it is hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides, right? Hexa means 6, okay? So, let's see here. It is a hexagon means 6 sides. A regular means all sides are equal. Now, each side is denoted by L. Now, the perimeter is equal to sum of all sides, right? So, L plus L plus L plus L plus L plus L 6 times, because 6 sides na, so perimeter is equal to 6 here. Get it? So, third example is also such like this. So, let's see the okay, fine. We will discuss about this fifth example. To find the sum of three numbers, that is 14, 27 and 18, we have two ways. Okay, we may first add 14 plus 27 to get 41. Then add 13 to get the addition 54. Okay, otherwise you can add 27 into 13 and then we get 40, and if we, then we add 13 so that we get 54. Any one method we can use. So this can be done for any three numbers. This is the property known as associative of addition. Now we have to express this into variable, using variable. So how? Let's see. Instead of taking these three numbers, we have taking letters A, B and C. Suppose A is 14, B is 27 and C is 13. Now we can write A plus B plus C. मतलब हम क्या करेंगे, पहले A प्लस बी की एडिशन करेंगे, उसके बाद उसमें C ऐड करेंगे, तो जो आंसर आएगा वो सेम ही आएगा। किससे सेम आएगा? अगर हम B और C की एडिशन करते हैं और फिर उसमें A ऐड करते हैं, तो इसका जो आंसर आएगा सेम रिजल्ट वी गेट व्हेन वी ऐड A प्लस बी एंड देन C, राइट ना? Okay, now let's see the next one. Fine. Okay, just give me 1 minute, huh? Okay, now we will discuss about exercise 11.13. Here, let's discuss the first question. Make up many expression with numbers, no variables, as you can form three numbers. Okay, so it is easier one. That means you have given three numbers and you have to make the equation, or we can say expression, using addition, multiplication, subtraction or division with the help of these three numbers. So many here given. Okay, division is not there. So see here, first we can read 5 plus 8 plus 7. Okay, then we can take 5 plus 8 minus 7, right now? Then 5 minus 8 minus 7, and here the first one I have told 5 plus 8 plus 7. Okay, then here 8 plus 7 minus 5. Now we'll see about the multiplication. 8 multiplied by 7 plus 5, 5 multiplied by 7 plus 8, 8 multiplied by 7 minus 5, then 7 multiplied by 8 minus 5 and 5 multiplied by 8 minus 7. Okay, so let's see the next question. which out of the following are the expression with numbers only? So it is easier one ना, जिस एक्सप्रेशन में सिर्फ नंबर है वो एक्सप्रेशन आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए. सी हियर y प्लस 3, यहाँ y है, y मीन्स वेरिएबल ना, so it is not expression with only numbers. Now see 7 multiplied by 20 minus 8z. So here is z, that is the variable. See the c, 5 in bracket 21 minus 7 bracket complete plus 7 multiplied by 2. Yes, here is no variable, so it is the expression with numbers only. Okay, now if now this one you have to do it. It is easier na. Now see third question. Identify the operations addition, subtraction, division or multiplication in the following expression and tell how the expression have been formed. अब यहाँ एक्सप्रेशन दिए हैं है ना, तो उसमें कौन सा ऑपरेशन है और वो कैसे फॉर्म हुआ है यह हमें बताना है. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फाइन, सो विल डिस्कस द ए. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट इन ए? z plus 1. So plus means here operation is addition. See here z plus 1 dash, which operation is here? Addition. अब ये एक्सप्रेशन कैसे तैयार हुआ? Added 1 to z. Here you have to write z, not y. Okay, then next z minus 1. Now here the operation subtraction. 1 subtracted from z. Okay, y plus 17. So here is the operation of addition. 7 is added to y. Y minus 17, that is addition, and 17 added to y. Y minus 17, it is subtraction. 17 subtracted from y. 17y, it is multiplication. 17 multiplied by y. Then okay, I have taken the b1. Sorry, I have not discussed with you. y upon 17. अब देखो upon मतलब क्या है यहाँ? Division. So it is division. y divided by 17. 5z. 5z means 5 multiplied by z, and 5 multiplied by z. Here is the multiplication operation, right? Fine. So we will discuss the next one. It is c. Okay, now see it carefully because there are more than one operation. 2y plus 7. अब देखो यहाँ 2y से भी एक एक्सप्रेशन होता है और प्लस 7 से अनदर एक्सप्रेशन होगा. 2y मीन्स पहले तो हमने क्या किया, वेरिएबल को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया और फिर उसमें क्या किया, 7 ऐड किया. तो so how do we have to write here? So operations are 2, multiplication and addition. 2 multiplied by y, then added 17. राइट ना. देखो पहले क्या किया है, पहले y में 17 थोड़ी ऐड किया, पहले तो मल्टीप्लाई किया है और फिर उसमें 17 ऐड किया है. सो इट इज 2 multiplied by y and then added 17. Next 2y minus 17, multiplication and subtraction. 2 multiplied by y and subtracted 17. Okay, then next minus 7 या minus 3, multiplication and subtraction. So minus 7 multiplied by m and then 3 subtracted from the result. Okay, so let's discuss the fourth question. Give the expression for the following. Okay, अब हमें स्टेटमेंट दिया है और अब हमें क्या करना है, उसका एक्सप्रेशन फॉर्म करना है. ओके, 7 added to p, 7 plus p, right ना. Next 7 subtracted from p, p minus 7. Then 7 subtracted from minus m. So 7 minus m. Okay. Next minus p divided by 5, minus p upon 5. Now see here. Okay, just 1 second. Form expressing using t and 4, use not more than one number of operation. Every expression must have t in it. हमें एक्सप्रेशन फॉर्म करने हैं, एक से ज्यादा हमें ऑपरेशन नहीं लेने हैं और हर एक में t आना चाहिए. ठीक है, सो देयर आर 4 ऑपरेशंस ना, एडिशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, देन सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड डिवीजन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट एडिशन t plus 4, right, or 4 plus t. Then t minus 4 and 4 minus t. Then 10 multiplied by